If you're a designer charging 1 to 2K for a static brochure site, you're like a kitty fighting for scraps in a cage full of lions. This is a losing business model. AI isn't replacing all designers. In fact, a lot of designers are already earning more this year than they ever have before. But there is one type of designer that is getting replaced right now. And it's the ones whose entire business is built on offering basic websites for cheap. There's just no unique value there. It's a solution that can be accomplished by any web designer, AI tool, or template for that matter. The web designers that are thriving right now are becoming specialists, offering a unique solution at a premium rate. Their offers are things that can't be duplicated by any human or AI tool. So let me give you an example here. I made this imaginary web design business and created 3 homepage examples. I feel like the homepage of a portfolio is the perfect representation of strategy, positioning, and you can typically tell their chances of success or failure based off of a quick look. But as I go through these examples, remember, I'm not just talking about website messaging. I'm talking about your offer and your overall approach. All right, so this first example is pretty obvious why this designer is going to struggle. The generic offering of web design for anyone is just too hard to sell these days. There's just way too much competition, and you're not doing anything here to stand out or attract prospects. Now, the second example is getting a little better, but it's still not quite there. It says, we make killer sites for tough brands. It's a bit more specific about the types of businesses that it works with, but the service offering is still really vague, and it doesn't illustrate any unique value that can't be found somewhere else. I would guess that most web designers fall in this category. They think that they have a unique offer and niche, but in reality, they're still just too broad. And this just makes it so hard to find clients. In fact, I would bet that most of the clients that these types of designers do land are by pure luck instead of any sort of repeatable system or effort. So this third example is the one that I really want you to focus on. The main header is AI-powered equipment rental websites that update your inventory automatically. And then the subheader reads, manage inventory, accept bookings, collect payment, and more. Managing your rental business is easier than ever. This positioning is rock solid. No owner of an equipment rental business is ever going to land on this site and think to themselves, I could do this on my own, or I could use AI to do this. It's just too specific, it's too valuable, it speaks directly to their pain points, and highlights complex features that speak directly to their needs. It's not just web design services. In fact, it doesn't even mention web design. It's a complete solution to bring results. I love these types of offers because it almost feels like you're offering them a complete software solution, when in reality, it's just a website with CMS and e-com capabilities, and then you're just attaching a few automations and third-party AI tools to make it even more powerful. Doing this allows you to position yourself as the authority and leaves you standing completely alone as the only perfect solution for that person. And even outside of the website, think about how much more powerful your messaging will be. All of your targeting and ads will be laser focused. Your content will speak directly to their problems rather than just explaining what you do. And your network of perfect prospects will grow really quickly and referrals will come almost automatically. Becoming a digital specialist like this will make you irreplaceable. And this is just one example of how to make it easier to find clients. And I know that it can be tough. It's something that requires constant effort, and if you're not working at it every day, you might not have clients for next month. The quick training inside this video is just one small example of what you get inside of my group, Pape Pro. We've shifted entirely to focus only on how to find clients, close clients, speak with them, price your services, and run a profitable business. And we're no longer doing the membership subscription thing anymore. It's just one low payment for lifetime access of everything. And if you get even one client from the things that we teach you, you'll pay for your membership 10 times over. So if you want some extra help, go to papepro.com. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.